Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, and on behalf of LearnITCoursesOnline.com, as well as LearnJobsOnline.com, I'd like to thank you. We do know that you have a variety of choices of IT training, and you've chosen us, so we really appreciate that and hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. So let's start with a quick tour of the standard objects in Salesforce. Step one, we log in into Salesforce. Under Settings, we'll find Setup. Click on the Setup Home, go to Object Manager, and then we'll click on the Account object. So click on Account. Step two, we're going to click on the Schema Builder. It shows the complete account table with field names and data types. There are fields marked red. The fields marked red indicate that they are mandatory to fill in the field value when an account is created. Using the similar steps, we can explore all the standard objects available. Also in the Schema Builder, we can filter to view only the standard objects. Now is a listing of the important standard objects, which include account, account history, case, contact, user, asset, domain. And also depends on what additional clouds you have. So if you have the marketing cloud, campaign will be important. If you have the service cloud, the case object, standard object will be important. Now let's take a tour of custom objects. The organization's data will always not fit into existing standard objects. So we can extend and customize many Salesforce objects to meet the need. For example, a courier company can create a custom object to store for schedule and dispatch details for every week. So these objects store the data that is unique to our business. The custom objects can have custom fields along with the standard fields available in Salesforce. Some of the features of custom objects include we can build page layouts to control which fields users can view and edit when entering data for the custom object record. Also, we can import custom object records. Also, we can create reports and dashboards to analyze custom object data. In addition to that, we can create a custom tab for the custom object to display the object's data. And then we can also track tasks and events for custom object records. So how do we go about creating a custom object? When we go to the Object Manager, under Setup, we're going to find the option as in the screen to click on Create and then select Custom Object. Of course, we also have the option when importing data to create the object based on the layout of what we're importing. But normally, or the most frequently used way, is where we don't have the data and as such we're creating it from scratch. The next step is where we fill in the details of the custom object we want to create. There are mandatory fields which should be filled in, highlighted by red. In our case, we're going to give the object a name called delivery schedule and save it. Now we move to creating a custom field. To add more granularity to the business data, we can add custom fields on the custom object that we created. In this case, let us add a field called delivery date to the custom object named delivery schedule. To do this, we go to Setup, Objects and Fields, Object Manager, Delivery Schedule, and now scroll down to the Fields and Relationships tab and click on New. The page to add custom fields appear wherein we fill the details as shown. Now we can verify the successful addition of the above custom fields. The custom field appears as shown. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also don't hesitate to visit our website at learnitcoursesonline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.